Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to change text case in Excel without formula. Okay. First of all, select your text. Go to Tools tab. Now select text drop down menu. Now see this change case. Click here. Now see this many case options: uppercase, lowercase, proper case, sentence case, toggle case. Now add your case. I select example. I select proper case. Now apply. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Again, go to drop down list, change case, select uppercase, apply.